Lessons. So whether with your CRM or some other system, everyone struggles with user adoption at some point and to some degree. Statistics show that less than 40% of CRM customers achieve 90% user adoption, and 22% of CRM problems are related to user adoption. So everyone's familiar with the idea of carrots and sticks, but how do we apply that to CRM? In this presentation, we're going to explore some concrete steps you can take to increase user adoption. First, look for ways to bake CRM into your business processes. The more you can bake CRM into your business processes, the harder it is for people to avoid using it or make excuses for not keeping their data updated. For example, take a process that's managed in spreadsheets today and move it into your CRM. You might need to build out some new fields or modules and some reports to display the data, but once you do, you've now given your users a reason they need to use CRM instead of an excuse for working outside of it. Along the same lines, if you have reports you reference during meetings, hold them up in Sugar during the meeting so that your users see you using the data in Sugar to make decisions and to measure progress. The more you visibly use the data in your CRM system, the more users will see the value of entering their data correctly. Next, make your CRM easy to use. This starts with keeping your CRM as simple as possible. Each user should only have access to the functions they need so it doesn't become overwhelming, especially when you start expanding into multiple business units or multiple functions. As you bring new users onto the system, shared dashboards can help set them up for success, helping them find what they need and understand key metrics. Initial training for new users is important, but don't stop there. You also need to offer chances for continuing to learn today and practice new skills, such as devoting a few minutes at the beginning or end of a meeting to reviewing some small process or step in CRM. This can be a good chance to do some peer-to-peer learning as well, having one user lead a session each time on different topics that they're familiar with and comfortable with in the CRM. If you've got users who do a lot of traveling or work outside the office, make sure they have the mobile app and they know how to use it. A great way to enter meeting notes right there on the spot when a meeting's over, as well as tracking next steps for follow-up. And a final way you can make CRM easier to use is to look for opportunities to automate processes. Good candidates are repeatable, consistent processes with multiple steps where automation can help with consistency or efficiency. Once you've determined the good candidates, Sugar BPM can help you automate them. Next, make sure your CRM is helpful and that you're communicating the value of CRM to your users. Share your goals for implementing and enhancing CRM so that everyone is on board and understands why your business is investing time and money in CRM. Tools like Hint and TrustSphere can add value by minimizing the amount of time users spend on data entry and providing additional data to them besides what they've entered into the system themselves. For example, Hint can save an average of 17 minutes per lead by delivering valuable data to users. Use the CRM as a place where business knowledge is shared. Take advantage of the knowledge base to build a library of procedures for common tasks, frequently asked questions in customer-facing documents. Finally, make sure you're maintaining quality data in your CRM. If your system becomes bogged down with dirty data, no one will trust the information that's there, which will inevitably impact usage. Data quality is not always easy or fun, but it is achievable. Our last user group actually has some ideas if you're looking for some help with that. As your business changes, your CRM needs to change with it. Budget time and money to make CRM enhancements each year. And as you plan changes to business processes and procedures, make sure to think about whether CRM updates are necessary to support your new procedures. Make sure that you're using good change management practices as you implement those plans. Whether rolling out new features, applying a Sugar upgrade, or making changes to support business processes, make sure to prepare users for change and incorporate their feedback. Finally, we all know that to really improve something, we need to measure it. Define mechanisms for measuring user adoption and CRM usage. This might be as simple as enabling Sugar's tracker function so you can report on how many clicks users are making. However, I'd suggest looking further at metrics that have more meaning and are tied to the things you're looking to promote, such as data cleanliness, completeness, or timeliness. Would you rather recognize the user who created 15 accounts filling in only the required fields, or the user who created 9 accounts but filled them out more completely? Whatever metrics you decide on, make sure to find a way to share the measurements and celebrate success. This could include small gift cards or other rewards, or even simply recognizing leaders periodically or displaying them on a dashboard. In summary, make sure you're planning for user adoption as you implement and enhance your CRM. Keep in mind ways to make CRM part of your business processes, keep it simple and make it helpful, And always manage change and measure usage at all.